They're tricking you. They're tricking you, and it gets me so mad and so upset. I am not one of those people who promise you the world, empty dreams, make 80% gains and 39% gains in 4 minutes. And I don't do any of that stuff, guys. I'm in it for you. I want you to make money. And one of my famous things that I've said since the very beginning is I want to get rich with you, not because of you. There are so many people, and it gets me so sick, guys. It gets me so sick. There are these people that, of course, have groups, and they're multi-millionaires. Not a millionaire, but multi-millionaires. And they're preying on your greed because they show you all of these percentages and look at what we did, look what we did, and this is in the group. But how many charts did they post to get those results? Think about this, guys. Think about that. They're tricking you. They're tricking you, and it gets me so mad and so upset. In the group that I have, in the free portion or the paid portion, whichever you want, I give very limited amount of charts. I do all the waiting for you. How many times have you been in one of those other groups and they're posting 10, 20 charts a day, and then finally at the end of the week or 3, 4 days later, they're posting setups that they did or results from setups they did a week or two ago? When I do my post, I do all the waiting for you. I have alerts, they go off, doesn't look right. I need to see more momentum. I need to see more price action. I need to see more of the strength of the move. When that happens, then I set another alert. It goes off. Nope, still doesn't look right. Let me go ahead and just wait just a little bit longer. Then the alert goes off again. I look at it, I go, right, this probably needs another 4 to 8 hours, maybe even 12 hours before I post it. Because when I post, they're ready. They are ready for you to make money. Now, do we make money all the time? Nope. No promises here, no hopes and dreams, no nothing like that. But do we make money real quick? Sometimes we do. Sometimes they move within minutes of me posting because they're ready. Sometimes it takes a few hours, maybe a day.